Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install Splunk in your Windows system. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So first you have to search Splunk Enterprise download in your browser. So you will see the first link. You have to click this download Splunk Enterprise. So it will jump to the splunk.com website. So here you can see uh, create a Splunk account. Okay, if you want to download, then you need a Splunk account here. Okay, so before that, let me show you what type of Splunk we can use in our system. So there are two types actually. There is a Splunk cloud. There is a Splunk cloud platform that you can directly utilize without any download. Just you have to click on the free trial and create your account. Okay, and the second one is the package. You will get the Splunk Enterprise package in your system. So you should need to download the Splunk setup completely. So once I click, so these enterprise setup we have to download in my Windows machine. So let's click on this start free trial. So once you click on this, it will ask you to create a Splunk account. Okay, so for this you have to fill this form, email id, password, first name, last name, job title, phone number, company if you have any, or just mention fresher. Okay, just click on the checkbox and create your account. As I already created my account, so let me jump onto this. So here you can see this is the Splunk homepage once you log into your system. Okay, so here is the complete data AI you can trust. This is the homepage of Splunk. So now what you have to do, you have to click on these trials and downloads. Okay, so here you can see I open that free trials, and here you can see the Splunk cloud platform. So if you click start free trial, it will give you the 5 GB of data per day. Okay, to use your Splunk in the cloud. Just I'm reviewing these ones. Here you can see start your Splunk Cloud free trial. Search, analyze, and visualize 5 GB day of your own data in a Splunk hosted cloud platform. So you have to just click on this start trial. Okay. So, but in this video, we are going for the enterprise package. So we need to download that package. Okay. So for that, you have to click on the trials and downloads and scroll down, and you can see Splunk Enterprise. So what you have to do, you have to click on this start free trial. Then here it will show you the different packages for your Windows device, Linux, as well as Mac OS. Okay, yeah, so here you go. Here you can see the different packages for your Windows device. You have to click on the download now. It will download the complete package. Okay, and for Linux user, also there are three options based on this kernel you have. Okay, and the Mac OS. macOS also we have to set up here. Okay, so for now we are going with the Windows. So you have to just click on the download now. It will download the setup. As I already downloaded the setup, let me show you. So here you can see this is the setup you will get after download. So what you have to do, you have to just click and start installing this. Okay, you have to click on this and open installing Splunk in your system. So I click on the system on that package, and here you can see welcome to Splunk Enterprise setup. Okay, here you will check this box to accept the license and agreement. Okay, then just click on the next button. The default installation we are using for now, and it is downloading into the C program file Splunk. Okay, so just click on the next, and here you need to provide your UID, username and password. So let's give me my Splunk demo. Okay, and here you have to set your password. So once you're done with the credential, just click and here you can see it will directly install. Okay, create a shortcut. So here you can see it is started downloading, installing the Splunk enterprise setup. So after completely download, you will see this screen is Splunk enterprise. And yeah, before while installing, you will see the user create a user account for the Splunk as well. So you have to create that user as well as password for your account so that you can use. Okay, so here let me log in. Yes, I have created for me. Yeah, so it's success. So we are completely downloaded and installed Splunk in my system. Okay, so that's today for this video. Let you catch up in the next blog.